Hello all. National Mathematics Day is celebrated to honor S. Ramanujan, the great Indian mathematician. Here are some interesting facts about him and his contribution to maths. S. Ramanujan was born on December 22, 1887 in a Tamil Brahmin Iyengar family in Erode. His father, Kuppuswamy Srinivasa Iyengar, originally from Tanjavur district, worked as a clerk in a saree shop. His mother was a housewife. He had 3 siblings, but none of them survived due to plague. Ramanujan went to local school and was recognized as a child genius in mathematics by the age of 11. By that age, he could do advanced mathematics which was taught at college level. By the age of 13, he was a master in trigonometry. He graduated from Town Higher Secondary School in 1904 and was awarded the K. Ranganatha Rao Prize for Mathematics by the school's headmaster Krishnaswamy Iyer. He even got a scholarship to study at Government's Art College at Kumbakonam. As he was not interested in any other subject, he failed to score minimum passing marks and lost his scholarship. Following the same, he enrolled at Pachiyappa's College in Madras but failed his fellow in arts in 1906 as he was not inclined in any other subject. And even in mathematics, he only chose to do challenging questions. Ramanujan got the recognition again in 1910 after he met the founder of the Indian Mathematical Society, V. Ramaswamy Iyer, and slowly gained repute in the mathematical circles. His remarkable work won him a position of research at the University of Madras. He wrote to many English mathematicians, but his work was often disregarded because it lacked formal presentation and flair. He was then recognized by G.H. Hardy. He first refused to leave India for England, but later agreed. For most part, he claimed that he got the genius from divinity. The most important contributions were the mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series and continued fractions. His work on Ramanujan prime, the Ramanujan theta function, partition formulae and Mach theta functions continue to open new areas of research. Ramanujan square is another mathematical puzzle that fascinated all. Among the most famous are the Ramanujan number, also called the magic number, which is 1729. It is the smallest number that can be expressed as a sum of two different sets of numbers. He compiled as many as 3,900 results and identities in his lifetime. The great mathematician was riddled with ill health all his life. The condition was often worsened due to poverty and his strict dietary restrictions that he followed as part of his religious beliefs. The world lost the great mathematician at a young age of 32 in 1920. To honor his contribution to mathematics and to celebrate his remarkable genius, his birthday is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. The purpose is to motivate students to love the subject. Thank you.